Alright, there we go. Now everything including the compressor. But boom, right there. On this side, we got the switch. Well, this is my own design. Not taken from any other Lego maker. And then, so here we go. I jacked it up a little bit so we can see the drive. This is drive. Speed control. This is speed control for the compressor. This switches between lift and lower, and this is going to steer later, but this is the back end right now, so here we go. Alright, turn it on, and first of all, let's get this thing driving. So there's that driving. Now, stop that. What I want to do is I want to lift this. So I'm going to lift this, turn on the compressor. And as you can see, the compressor is slowly lifting to full capacity.